guys, it's Asia and
her mom.
And today we are doing Smooshy Mushy Besties little milk carton thingies. They come in these little cute things and we got 5 of them. One of the snackies.
This is the snackies. And then munchies. We got 2 munchies and 2 sweeties.
And then one of the, yeah. Okay, so let's get opening. Oh, and my brother's also here too. Okay.
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 Pick your first one to open, and I know which one I'm opening first.
Okay, so I'm opening these. You would think that you open it like a milk carton, but you don't. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Oh, that is cute.
I think this is a little Nutella.
Oh.
It's so cute.
I like it.
Ooh, it smells good.
Let me see.
It doesn't smell the best of all this.
That's cute.
I want to smell. It smells good.
Okay, the first one I'm going to open is the snackies. Yes, buddy. Just hold on 1 second, please. Okay, it looks like I got the spaghetti.
That's cute.
Oh, I'm trying to get it to come through here.
Here, you gotta.
Oh, that's so cute.
Isaac, come here.
Okay. Oh, they all have little keychains where you can make them into keychains. Okay, now here. Come here and sit on my lap and you can open one.
I hope I get the yogurt.
Okay, let's see. He's opening the munchies.
The munchies. Let's see it again. Let's see it again. I love munchies. I wanted to get.
Okay, grab it out and let's see what you got.
I got the pancake.
Oh, pancake.
I got pancake. Oh yeah.
That's so cute.
It's peanut butter jelly down.
Okay, here let's.
Okay, now let's see what the next one Sissy gets.
Okay.
Let's watch Sissy.
So I already started
I
opening
hope-
mine, so I can. Put it in the
Okay, let's see.
Oh, I was opening.
You got the one that I wanted the very most.
I got the little takeout.
The little takeout container.
This is thing.
I think personally that's the cutest one so far.
So cute.
That's the one I wanted to get.
Can't really see because.
Can I do that one next?
Okay. You want to open the sweetie?
Let me.
Okay, now he's going to open the sweetie. Let me help you. Let me help
I
you.
know how to.
Let's open this. Okay, now see
see
what
what
you
I
got.
I hope I get the munchie.
Let's see.
What?
It's not even the munchy one. That's the sweetie.
Wait, I know how to do it. Open it up.
He's having some
Let me help you out.
difficulty.
I'm time.
Oh, we got a duplicate. We got the little milk. Is it a little milk carton? Is that
I
what it
think
is? Or is
it's
it
Nutella.
It's Nutella? It's like a Nutella.
I can decorate.
Oh, well, hang on.
You want me to do it?
Yeah,
Wait,
so you're a little
come with
closer.
it. Something
It's the
comes
same one as
with
the
it.
first one. That's so cute. You can't see it, but
Very cute.
it's got its little tongue out. I didn't even notice that. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below more video suggestions. Subscribe and turn on the notifications to get notified every time we post a video. We love you so much. Bye.
Bye.